Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to No Boring Days. I know it's a bit weird to start the vlog, the cycling vlog, inside a car, but my bike needed a little tender, loving care, and I am not the right person to do that. My role is to do as much damage to the bike as possible. Actually, I brought it to Mark Acantilado, so I got a quick bike fit with him. We're still working on the fit because it became clear after he saw the bike that it needed a lot of work. Like the crank was literally moving from side to side. I just didn't notice. Oh, and hopefully, with any luck, I get to have a bike ride this afternoon. Let's get my bike back. Let's get it back. It's been a few days. Let's go. My bike looks so nice.
Come check it out.
Thanks, bye. So you just changed the back wheel?
Rebuild two wheelset.
Ah, okay. You rebuilt both.
Rear hub changed. Front hub was not changed. There's no 12mm available in the market.
Really?
Yeah.
With the Pro.
Ordered pa.
I ordered pa. So I can come back and you just change it?
Anytime.
Oh, cool.
They said it will take mga 2 to 3 weeks.
Sige.
The new chain, new cogs, new
Nice.
bottom bracket.
Yeah, new chain, new cogs, new bottom bracket.
So this is the rear wheel.
So it's my original rear wheel.
Yeah. The bearings are gone already.
Oh, yeah.
So I'll show you the crack.
That one? Oh, yeah, that is a big one. Hopefully the camera can see that.
You can
So you also changed the rims in the front, no?
Yeah, both are changed. You can see how stressed the spokes. See, it's too loose. It's not holding anymore. There are a few points. So.
Like you can see it kind of go away. Oh yeah,
No, this one is the design. That's another
There's
crack.
There's a crack there.
Sa front, it's about crack na pod.
So the new wheel set that I got here, but is it like an upgrade or is it like pretty much similar lang yun?
It's an upgrade.
It's an upgrade.
Okay, this one, the Shimano hubs, doesn't come with a sealed bearing. A loose bearing type, it's a cone. So this one is a sealed bearing.
So this one should be better. You know, that's when you were asking me about like kanang, you know, the wheels and that, and then the reality is I don't really know. And then in many ways I don't care that much. I just want it to be like slightly better if puede.
Yes.
Unless I buy like a really, really nice wheel set.
Correct.
No?
But this one is easier to maintain compared to the old ones.
And this is easier to maintain.
Yes. The sealed bearings are easier to maintain. They have better kind of waterproofing compared to this.
So the front I should change also?
Yes. It's better you change also. So when the new hub...
You just send me a message when it arrives.
Yeah, I'll rebuild that one also. Then I'll show you some of your used parts.
So this is the
chain we replace.
Replace the chain. Well, that
This is the
one.
major problem.
The bottom bracket.
The bottom bracket gone. Yeah, see how loose.
Yeah.
See?
So that one cannot be fixed na gyud.
No. This type cannot be fixed. It's like a disposable one. Then your chain stretch already. You can check it with the chain checker. Then,
That one probably really needed to be changed good.
Kani, I think you use this most of the time for climbing, no?
Yeah, I do a lot of climbing.
So you can see
Yeah, it was chipped.
chipped already. There's a couple of cogs here I want to show you.
Bro, I got basically the
Basically,
same cassette, no?
It's a one step down. Because
Any one
right
step
now,
down, yeah.
right now wala XT available. Wala XT available sa market. Then this is a Dior, which is readily available. But just a few grams heavier
Ay, bye.
compared to paying thousands more.
Yeah, I don't,
Yeah.
if a few grams is not going to make a difference for me. So by like in terms of the wheel, what did we do here? What kind of hubs are we using?
This is an ARC 12 by 142 hubs, 32 holes. Basically, it's very similar to your old hubs, but this is a sealed bearing already.
Sealed bearing na
Yes,
siya. So better for maintenance.
Better sealing. So in case you go, you ride on wet conditions, it's a lot better.
Oh yeah, and I do that a lot, right?
Dust proof compared to the Shimano, which is the cup and cone.
Uh-huh.
So this one is it's one of the reliable hubs, but the problem lang dito is dali siya masudlag ugaw
Ah, okay.
compared to this one.
And yeah, and then
This is a lot lighter.
oh, it's a lot lighter also.
A lot lighter.
And in terms of the rims and the spokes,
Rims, this is a core tubeless ready rims. Spokes, we changed to Richmond stainless spokes with brass nipple.
are those better? I have no idea.
Absolutely, it's a lot better.
Oh yeah, it's a lot better.
It can take more punishment.
So this should, in theory, last longer than the wheels that I had.
That will depend on your riding conditions
Oh.
and your maintenance.
Oh yeah, that's right. And then the other thing I changed was the bottom bracket. No, anything
Bottom bracket,
special with it, or
no,
just
it's
pretty
the same.
typical?
It's standard Shimano threaded bottom bracket. It's the same gear ratio as what you have last time.
Yeah, that I noticed that.
So
I was
you
like,
shouldn't feel the difference. Only it will become a lot smoother compared before.
a lot smoother
Yes.
because of the because it's new.
Yeah, because it's new.
Di ba mo stretch mo na siya ba? Like
Yes.
after a couple of rides.
Yes, correct.
So I'll have to come back to do a quick,
Just do a quick. I just needed to do a quick tune up.
quick tune up after it stretches.
Yep.
All right, sige. I will ride this later, right? If it doesn't rain.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. It's a bit windy up here, but I thought I'll do it here. So of course, first thing I do when I get the bike from the mechanic is go off-road. It's not gonna be a long ride today, it's gonna be a quick one, but I wanted to get this ride in, see what the new wheels felt like, see with the new bottom bracket, the new parts. And I gotta say, it feels good. Almost feels like riding a different bike. I don't know, this could be confirmation bias or whatever, but it feels like it accelerates faster. It seems like everything turns so much better than before. It could be the new components. Could be that the old components were just really, it's really needed a change. But I'm pretty happy with the new wheels. They seem more comfortable. Again, I don't know if this is confirmation bias, but it feels like they engage faster. But what do I know? It's like the red bikes. One thing that I do not like, I don't like this. Here. Truth be told, I would rather have a quieter hub. Feels weird when you're freewheeling and it's super loud. I'm just not used to it. Hello. Magawa siya na siya dad. You can't see it, but my feet are literally going like that. It's so steep. The other advantage of this wheel set, or this hub, I assume the whole wheel set, is that it's supposedly lighter, but I have not weighed it or anything. I did not weigh the old one, so I don't see the point of weighing this one. I can't tell the difference though, if it's light or not, because bike still feels pretty heavy. It's so steep that the front wheel touches the ground when I'm carrying it on my shoulder. Crazy. I don't know anything about what's a good wheel set to get. I don't know anything about hubs, spokes, rims. So I just told him, get me something that is, you know, good quality for the value. So shout out Dustin, climbed the ride by the numbers, 16.19 kilometers, 1 hour, 2 minutes and 51 seconds moving time with 288 meters of elevation gain. Not bad. No boring days, please subscribe.